The Klein Tools Electrical Test Kit comes with a dual range non-contact voltage tester and a receptacle tester. The dual range tester will test from 12 to 1000 volts or 70 to 1000 volts. It has a laser pointer for professionals, a pocket clip, and this is rated to withstand a drop from 9 feet. It's going to let you know whether there's voltage on a circuit with an LED light and an audible beep. You can turn it off manually or it'll automatically turn off after 4 minutes, and always test a known live circuit before you use this on a project. The receptacle tester, you plug into an outlet and it's going to let you know whether it's wired properly, what wire is missing, or if you have wires that are reversed. You can also test a GFCI with the test button.